Hello, this is Dean Crippen with Dean Crippen Marketing, and the reason that you're at this site is because you've been looking for some information about Power Lead System. I'm going to tell you about my experience with Power Lead System and try and give you an unbiased review of it. What is Power Lead System? Well, it's a set of tools that you can use to help market your business, your network marketing or internet marketing business. It's a lead capture system, creation system, where you can generate many different types of lead capture pages and modify them for your particular business. It's also a auto-responding system. It's got an autoresponder, a full-blown autoresponder, and right now, as of this recording, it fully integrates with Aweber. Auto Lead System, Power Lead System is also a great lead generation tool because it allows you to give away the tool itself to people who are interested in generating leads. This is an awesome bribe offer that you can offer your leads, your potential leads, to get them to join your list, and as they come in, they're going to see the benefits of being part of the system. It's also got a great training program inside of it that teaches you how to get traffic, how to put your offer in front of traffic, how to do copywriting in order to capture or convert your traffic into opt-ins and sales. And along with them giving away the system as a bribe, they're also coming out with 30 fully branded ebooks so that you have tons and tons of things to go out there and get free traffic. In my opinion, this is a truly great system. I mean, you can give it away for free. Now, if you do give it away for free, the person that gets it for free has to give you every other lead they generate. So that's the cost. They get zero out of pocket, and then they get every other lead. And when they start doing that and they see how powerful it is, they're going to want to join up because they're going to get a lot more leads that way. Currently, I've been in it for 2 weeks. I've generated about 80 leads. I've made 3 sales. I think this is going to take off completely. I highly recommend Power Lead System. If you look below right here, there's a link to one of the main funnels that I have developed for this. It's hypnoticsalessystem.com. Again, if you would like to see the sales funnel, please click on that link, and I would be happy to help you out and show you where I'm getting my traffic that is generating tons and tons of opt-ins, and it's converting really well. Thank you very much for taking a look at this. The system is truly working well, and I highly recommend that you join me with Power Lead System in the link below, and we'll rock it from here. May you have a great day.